Your phone is more addictive than cocaine. Literally. Cocaine, it's 225% dopamine increase. Your Instagram notification, it's a variable reward. That's worse. And it's destroying your ability to do anything that matters. Day number 1, this is it. New me, gym, meal prep, meditation. Day number 3, back to scrolling on TikTok in bed eating chips. It sounds familiar? It's not willpower, it's not discipline, your dopamine system is broken. We're drawing in artificial rewards that hijack our motivation for things that actually matter, like habits that determine how long we live. In 10 minutes, I'll show you how dopamine really works, why you can't stick to anything, and the exact protocol to rewire your brain for unstoppable motivation. I'm Thomas Hale, and let's fix your broken reward system. Dopamine isn't the happiness chemical. That's completely wrong. Dopamine fires before you get the reward, not after. Notifications appears, dopamine spikes before you check. Smell pizza, dopamine surge before you hit. Think about gym, dopamine rises before you go. The anticipation is literally more powerful than the reward. The baseline trap. You have a baseline dopamine level. Activities cause spikes. Exercise, 50 to 100% increase. Sex, 200% increase, cocaine 225% increase, and meth 1000% increase. Here's the killer. After every spike comes crash below baseline. The bigger spike equals the deeper crash. That's why you feel dead inside after a Netflix binge. Your baseline is in the basement. The motivation death spiral. Broken dopamine equals no motivation for exercise against cardiovascular death, healthy cooking against metabolic disease, social connection against isolation death, learning against cognitive decline. You literally can't do what keeps you alive. The inflammation bomb. Low dopamine equals high inflammation, 30% higher inflammatory markers. Shorter telomeres accelerate aging. Dopamine dysfunction ages you at a cellular level. The addiction pipeline. When natural rewards stop working, you chase bigger hits. Processed food becomes obesity, alcohol, liver disease, stimulants, heart damage, the porn, relationship destruction. Each addiction further breaks the system. It's a death spiral accelerate. Quick pause before continuing the video. If you like the video and you are new here, please subscribe. It really means a lot and helps the channel. Also, if you're finding this helpful, please hit the like button. Finally, if you think something could be better or if you want me to make a video on a specific subject, tell me in the comments. All of this really helps more guys over 25 discover these hacks on the channel. And I'll post new videos every week on biohacking, energy and longevity, so no one will miss out. Thank you so much. Destroyer number 1, your phone. The average person is 96 phone checks daily, equal 96 dopamine spikes and crashes. Every notification is slots machine pool. Variable rewards equal maximum addiction. Infinite scroll equal dopamine slavery. The result, real life can't complete. Everything feels boring. Destroyer number 2. Ultra-processed food. It's engineered for dopamine hijacking. The sugar, 135% spike. Sugar plus fat, even worse. Artificial flavors, supernormal stimuli. Your brain literally can't find broccoli rewarding anymore. Destroyer number 3, the digital stimulation. The porn is a nuclear bomb to dopamine. It's unlimited novelty, new partners every click. Zero effort versus real relationship. Supernormal stimulus. The result, Heidi in 20 years old, zero motivation for real partners, damage reward circuits. Destroyer number 4, constant stimulation. Coffee while checking phone, podcast while working, Netflix while eating, and music while working. It never allowed baseline recovery. It's equal a chronic dopamine depletion. Phase 1, the 24-hour reset. Try 1 day per week, no phone, no internet, no entertainment, no junk food, and no music. Just working, reading, journaling, and thinking. This isn't torture. It's receptor resensitization. After 24 hours, normal activities feel amazing again. Phase 2, replace fast with slow. Check the out and check the in. Social media and books. Porn, real intimacy. Junk food, cooking. Gaming, learning skills. Slower rewards equal smaller spikes equal no crashes equal sustainable motivation. Phase number 3, earn your dopamine. Make rewards contingent on effort. Exercise before coffee. Culture before breakfast. Work before checking message. Your brain values what it works for. Suddenly, hard things become rewarding. Phase number 4, natural dopamine hacks. The cold exposure, 250% dopamine for hours, no crash. Morning sunlight, natural production better than coffee. Exercise, 50 to 100% boost, build new receptor. L-tyrosine, 500 mg morning, is dopamine precursor. This works with your biology, not against it. 2 years ago, phone always in hand, YouTube or Netflix while eating, podcast while working, and music while working. I couldn't do anything without stimulation. My planned workouts, I skipped for Netflix. Bought healthy food, I ordered Uber Eats. Then my phone broke while camping. 3 days, no stimulation. The first 24 hours were hell. Then the work became enjoyable. Cooking felt satisfying. Conversation was engaging. My brain had reset. I came back home and restructured everything. Phone in drawer until noon. No social media apps. In the morning, culture, sunlight, and exercise. I earned my dopamine naturally. The result? The focus went from 15 minutes to 2 hours. Motivation became consistent, and I'm actually enjoying the process. Here's the truth. You're not lazy, you're not broken. You're living in a world designed to hijack your reward system. But now you know the game. Every time you check your phone equals weaker energy. Processed meal equals less motivated. Every Netflix binge equals deeper hole. But also, every culture equals stronger. Every earned reward is more motivated. And every reset, it's a brain rewiring. Your tonight's mission: delete one dopamine app, put phone in another room, and tomorrow no phone for first hour. Earn your first coffee with exercise. Start with one change. Your brain will fight you. That's normal. That's healing. Comment your number 1 dopamine addiction right now. Phone, junk food, porn, no judgment. Awareness is step 1. And your homework, try 4 hours without your phone this weekend. Replace one fast reward with slow. Share with someone struggling with motivation. We are not lazy, we are dopamine depleted. Subscribe for more brain science that changes everything. I'm Thomas Hale. You can't build a great life with a broken reward system. Fix your dopamine, fix your future. Phone down, brain reset, life reclaimed.